Farmers' walks aren't just some strongman competition stunt. They're one of the most powerful movements that can completely rewire your nervous system and transform your entire body. Most people think it's just walking with weights, but I'm going to show you what really happens inside your body when you start doing this consistently. The first thing that changes is your nervous system's relationship with stability. Most people live their entire lives never truly challenging their body's ability to stay upright under load. You walk around, you sit, you stand. Maybe you jog a little. But when was the last time you forced your nervous system to coordinate every single muscle in your body just to take a step forward? That's exactly what the farmer's walk does. It hijacks your brain's movement patterns and forces it to recruit muscles you didn't even know you had. Every step with heavy weight in your hands sends thousands of signals racing through your nervous system. Your brain has to coordinate your grip, your shoulders, your core, your hips, your legs, even the tiny muscles in your feet. This creates what neuroscientists call neural drive, the brain's ability to activate muscle fibers efficiently and coordinate complex movement patterns. Studies show that compound movements like farmers' walks dramatically improve intermuscular coordination. That's your body learning to work as one powerful unit instead of a collection of parts fighting each other. Have you ever noticed how some people move like they're made of different pieces that don't quite fit together? They walk with their shoulders, their hips move independently, their arms swing without purpose. That's what happens when your nervous system never learns to integrate movement. The farmer's walk fixes this at the neurological level. Every rep teaches your brain to fire muscles in sequence, to coordinate opposing forces, and to maintain stability while moving through space. After just a few weeks, you'll notice something incredible. Your regular walking will feel smoother, more coordinated. You'll move with the kind of natural rhythm that makes people wonder if you played sports in college. Your nervous system will have learned to operate your body like the integrated machine it was designed to be. And once your nervous system starts firing properly, something powerful happens to your posture system. But this isn't about reminding yourself to stand up straight. The farmer's walk actually rewires the reflexes that control your posture. Your deep postural muscles, the ones that run along your spine and connect to your core, have to engage just to keep you from toppling over with weight in your hands. This constant low-level activation teaches these muscles to stay online even when you're not carrying anything. Your thoracic extensors learn to keep your chest up, your cervical muscles learn to keep your head in proper position, and your entire kinetic chain starts working together to maintain proper alignment. This isn't conscious posture control that you have to think about. This is your nervous system rewiring itself to hold you in optimal position automatically. The farmer's walk doesn't just strengthen your muscles, it reprograms your movement software. Your proprioceptors, those sensors that tell your brain where your body is in space, get a massive upgrade. Every uneven step, every slight imbalance, every micro adjustment teaches your nervous system to react faster and more precisely. This enhanced body awareness carries over into everything else you do. Now, before we dive into the benefit that's going to change how you think about grip strength forever, I want to let you know that the farmer's walk is powerful, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. If you want a simple step-by-step blueprint to reset your entire body and feel 10 years younger, I created an organized guide for you to follow, and it's linked in the description below. Here's what most people don't understand about grip strength. It's not just about your hands. Your grip is neurologically connected to your entire body through what's called irradiation. When you squeeze something hard, that neural drive spreads throughout your entire system, activating more muscle fibers and creating full body tension. The farmer's walk takes this principle and amplifies it to an extreme level. You're not just holding weight, you're death gripping it while your entire body is working to stay stable and move forward. This creates a neurological cascade that strengthens not just your forearms, but your shoulders, your core, your legs, everything. Research shows that maximum grip contractions can increase overall strength by up to 15% through this irradiation effect. The farmer's walk essentially turns your grip into a full body activation switch. But here's where it gets really interesting. The farmer's walk completely rewires your breathing patterns under stress. Most people hold their breath when things get difficult, they brace, they tense up, they forget to breathe properly. The farmer's walk forces you to maintain proper breathing while under significant load and stress. Your diaphragm has to work overtime to keep oxygen flowing while your core is engaged and your entire body is working. This teaches your nervous system to maintain proper breathing mechanics even when everything else is challenging. You're literally training your body to stay calm and breathe efficiently under pressure. That's a skill that carries over into every stressful situation in your life. In just a moment, I'm going to show you the most common mistakes that prevent people from getting these rewiring benefits. But first, let me tell you about something that completely surprised me when I started studying this movement. The farmer's walk actually changes your brain's pain processing patterns. Carrying heavy loads while maintaining proper posture and movement mechanics teaches your nervous system that your body is strong and capable. This shifts your brain's threat assessment system. Instead of interpreting normal movement as potentially dangerous, your nervous system starts to trust your body's ability to handle physical stress. Studies show that progressive loading exercises like farmer's walks can reduce chronic pain by changing how the brain processes sensory information. You're not just getting stronger physically, you're rewiring your brain's relationship with your body. Your nervous system starts sending confidence signals instead of protection signals. This is why people who do farmer's walks consistently report feeling more resilient, more capable, more ready to handle whatever life throws at them. There's also a hormonal rewiring that happens with this movement. High-intensity, full-body exercises like farmer's walks trigger the release of growth hormone, testosterone, and other anabolic hormones that promote muscle growth and recovery. But more importantly, they regulate stress hormones like cortisol. Your body learns to produce the right hormones at the right time, creating a more resilient stress response system. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that prevent this neural rewiring from happening. The biggest error is using weights that are too light. If the load isn't challenging your nervous system, you're missing the entire point. Your brain needs to be forced to recruit new motor units and create new movement patterns. If you can easily chat while doing farmer's walks, you're not heavy enough. The second mistake is rushing through the movement. Neural rewiring takes time and focus. When you speed walk through farmer's carries, you're not giving your nervous system time to adapt and learn. Each step should be deliberate, controlled, and focused. Think quality over speed. The third mistake is not progressively overloading the movement. Your nervous system adapts quickly, and if you keep using the same weight week after week, the rewiring stops happening. You need to consistently challenge your system with heavier loads, longer distances, or more complex variations. That one is honestly something I have to remind myself of sometimes when I get comfortable with a certain weight. You're probably wondering, this sounds incredible, but how heavy should I go and how often should I do this? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Start with a weight that challenges your grip and forces you to focus on every step. For most people, that's about 50 to 75% of their body weight in each hand, but start lighter and work up. Focus on distance rather than time. Start with 20 to 30 steps. Rest and repeat for 3 to 4 sets. As your nervous system adapts, increase the distance or the weight. The key is consistent progressive overload. Your nervous system needs to be constantly challenged to continue rewiring. Do this 2 to 3 times per week, allowing at least 48 hours between sessions for neural recovery. Your nervous system needs time to consolidate the new movement patterns and strength adaptations. By the time you've been doing this consistently for a month, the changes will be profound. You'll move differently, feel stronger, and handle stress better. Your entire nervous system will have been upgraded to operate your body more efficiently. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to completely rewire how their body works.